What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Gel-Kayano 26 running shoe by Asics I picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods for $159.99. If you're into advanced running or are looking to run long distances and are someone who has a neutral or overpronation, this shoe and this video is right for you, and you should continue watching. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of the Gel-Kayano 26. We're going to talk about some of the features that these shoes come with, and we're also going to talk about what I like and what I dislike about them. So let's go ahead and get into the box here. As you can see, I picked them up in this beautiful navy blue, light blue, white, black color scheme here. There's a lot going on. These shoes have a whole lot of character, as you can tell. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box here. So if we just move that off to the side and go ahead and put our Asics Gel-Kayano 26 running shoe down, we can see that you can get a pretty good look at what the shoe looks like. If we actually flip the shoe over here, you can see that you've got a really nice flight foam forefoot and midsole and hind foot. So this will literally put a spring into your step, not just figuratively. This will definitely ensure that you can run long distances comfortably. So right off the bat, you'll notice that the front of the running shoe actually has this webbed material on the front. It's sort of a mix of cotton and spandex or nylon maybe. It's a couple of different materials. It's sort of a composite, but you can see it definitely has some strong character, and it's very lightweight and ultra breathable. I really think these have a modern look to them and can be worn with a nice pair of jeans or maybe even a pair of shorts. I think they look absolutely fantastic. I mean, why shouldn't you be able to dress these up or throw them in your suitcase and use them to work out? You know, they're $160. Yes, these will last you well into the future, maybe even more than just a few runs. They will last you during your training exercises as well. In addition to these shoes having absolutely superb characteristics for running and for styling, they have a fluid fit upper which combines multi-directional stretch mesh with stretch reinforcements that adapt to the athlete's foot, which creates a truly customized glove-like fit. They have a heel clutch system technology. As you can see, they have rear foot and forefoot gel technology. By just looking at the front here, you can see the Flight Foam technology logo at the forefoot there. And AR Plus outsole, strategically positioned in critical areas of the outsole, is 50% more durable than standard Asics High rubber. I think these are a very characteristic, beautiful, advanced pair of running shoes that will absolutely make a difference. Just absolutely love everything about these sneakers here. Like I said, they're extremely stylish. Everything about this shoe is designed for lightweight and for running and for maximum efficiency and for little effort. These shoes are designed to work for you, with you, not against you. I wouldn't even be surprised if they improved your running time, given that the technology in the shoe makes it easier to run than, say, a flat-footed pair of shoes. Anyways, guys, if you're looking for an advanced pair of running shoes, Dick's Sporting Goods is a fantastic place to look. I picked up these Asics Gel-Kayano 26 running shoe up from Dick's Sporting Goods for $159.99. My subtotal was about $170. Because I picked it up at Dick's Sporting Goods, that makes these shoes a big box good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My name is John. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.